A heavy downpour in Paris, there was a major hailstorm that damaged several shop windows and cars. For half an hour, about 6 centimeters of precipitation fell in Paris. Many stations were closed due to bad weather and flash floods in Paris. Crops were damaged south of the French capital, and crops were severely damaged. Despite the average daytime temperature in the region of 22 degrees Celsius, thanks to the Rada, Paris was
The weather continues to amaze with its whims. Unexpected thunderstorms and torrential rains are no longer a novelty for European countries. Unexpectedly for the inhabitants of Paris, a violent storm hit the city that weren't looking.